Is already do you is already in Zoom? My
My computer is still progressing.
Okay.
Maybe we will wait a little bit more.
Because of maybe the signal. Is it fine? Not yet.
The MC, can you see the screen? In my computer, I still couldn't see your presentation.
You see?
Not right now.
Oh no.
Now
Okay.
it's displaying.
I just make sure my slide is fine first. Okay, thank you. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first time, I would like to say thank you so much for inviting me in this event. I never expected. After my graduation from UNS I will still in touch, but it is my blessing. But first time I would like to say thank you also my lecturer, Bu Elvi, in here. Bu Elvi, I'm not sure some of the new lecturer know me, but I just know Bu Elvi, and last time I remember Pak Mami and almarhum Pak Haryono. So maybe I'm like just know the old Bu Elvi ya. Assalamualaikum Bu Elvi, terima kasih.
Waalaikumsalam Mbak Hasih.
Terima kasih, and also I would like to thank you Pak Ari. Pak Ari in here, and this is my honor for giving my thoughts. I mean, because this still running, so this research is still running since I was in doctoral degree here, ocean acidification. Maybe for some people this topic is seem like this is not important. I'm not sure, because if I see from the some reference, I will tell you later. This is like a potential for us in the education system. I mean, in the chemistry education, it seems like potential to reveal, to like focus in this tema. So that's why I am try, because I like ocean. So that's why this is my private motive. Ocean acidification. Here this is about me. Maybe some of you, maybe I already meet Miss Putu. Last time when I was organized the HKI, and also Mbak Nurma, Bu Nurma, maybe in here. I can mention you all, but thank you so much, and let's discuss together this. But I would like to tell you about the ocean acidification in the frame of education, not real in the ocean, because if you see in Indonesian higher education, you see the some of the department, especially for ocean, they concern about the ocean. But in here, I talk about my concern is in the chemistry learning. So it's a little different, because this is really contextual. So this is me. I'm now in UIN Sunan Kalijaga as like a Bu LP. I have responsibility to handle my department. Bu LP also. I'm head of department in UIN Sunan Kalijaga Yogyakarta, and now I'm the golongan 4. I'm not really for the golongan is sometimes in the civil servant is for me because of my passion is research, but I have to follow the regulation as a civil servant. So I'm now is assistant professor, and for the moment I'm in Depok, Jakarta. I am a scholar in residence in Triple IU, and that's why I asked Mr. Ari. I'm sorry because maybe I will not reach until the 10:30 because I have the examiner. Examiner for some business defense in here with the self-media student. My research was like my basic research is misconceptions, and then I developed my research on the misconception because you know the misconception in general chemistry is sometimes is not really sexist sexist tema in the research grade. So that's why I moved from um, misconception to the marine chemistry learning. That's why I got the funding. So this is maybe the trick. If you are comfortable with the chemistry, sometimes people is not really interested like
Pingsan aja 4 bulan bisa selesai dari bulan 4 April langsung sekarang
so
selesai.
that's why you have to offer like if you want to get a funding something unique. That's why
yang lain itu
after I got my doctoral, before I graduate from Indonesia, after I started in research grant, and then I got the research grant and I offered the funding. So this is unique because first time I learned about carbonate, so that's why I have to submit something unique, and then after, but now still running. And then just last week I got again from my minister still isn't a certification.
Apa bagi-bagi makanan lagi?
Because maybe I lazy to learn again. So I just learned one point, one assignment, and I said like grant again I got the development.
Itu anak UB itu anak Sarkos itu anak Brawijaya itu juga kalau banyak yang ujian kan banyak mereka juga dibagiin.
First time I tried to deliver like
iya makanya itu udah
like she was present yesterday. After I just want to tell you after she was present and directly email me privately. I say hi. Yeah, because last time I was with him, I was with one foundation.
udah hasil dolar kayak sekedar posting ikut starting lain kan konten jual lama tuh hari-hari dia itu oh kita jual kostum ini ya baju kok laku kan kita dapat komisi.
And then the second one is second agenda is about the concept and then I would like to offer you maybe in here you are a student or you are a researcher or you are maybe want to get the funding. This is like a research probability for the chemistry learning about certification. And then last is ocean literasi. That means this is my design to assessment in education. So we move to the first agenda. Right, I would like to ask you to fulfill like my Slido, please. Just scan my Slido and try to contribute for just please select which planetary boundary you acknowledge. I mean I offer you 9, but if you don't know, just I know this. You can choose more than one. So please feel free. I will wait you. One or two seconds.
Lurus itu kayak kita kemarin pintu bawah.
Just scan without your
Masuk
phone
pintu bawah yang kita kemarin.
and
Kita naik tangga malah
QR
kemarin
code.
itu. Bisa. Kalau naik tangga sampai ini kan lantai
I will see for the
turun ke bawah
respondent
baru
in
itu
here.
liftnya.
Maybe you have already know the planetary
Kalau mesin itu
boundaries.
mati ya apa? Liftnya itu dimatikan jam 4 sore.
If you don't know, just ignore.
Sampai jam 5 itu enggak apa-apa naik tangga. Naik tangga, enggak apa-apa. Fokus aja kalau mau sampai jam 4 jam 5 enggak apa-apa, tapi naik tangga yang ini. Kan liftnya dimatikan jam 1.
You can choose more than one.
Karena waktu itu lift rusak pindah kami capek mau naik lantai 4. Ditulis rusak lah.
If you know all is fine.
Capek mulai. Bisa nggak situ ya? Iya. 4 masuk. Aduh.
Lantai berapa? Lantai 3 ya.
Oke, sudah. Ya. Ada ujian?
Iya, benar.
Belum dapat ujian, yuk tinggal sebulan lagi, Bunda. Kita ujian juga.
Okay, I think I got the still running. Okay.
Iya, silakan.
Yeah. Okay. Some of you knowing about you acknowledge the ocean acidification, and then the second position is climate change. Yeah, every of you is know. Okay, still running. Climate change, ocean acidification. What?
Iya.
Which one? Which one? The first rank.
Kan udah bawa, makan bawa cemilan.
So this is just my
Kalau kunci kayak
like a
gini,
diagnostic, like what is this is like a polling. I think I closed this polling. So thank you so much for your polling, your response. In here, some of you know about the climate change, and some of you know about the ocean acidification, of course. Maybe and biodiversity loss. Some of you know about the freshwater use and also stratospheric ozone, but the lowest percentage is in the novel entities, maybe. But if you, still running, but maybe I would like to stop. It's okay, fine. Thank you so much. Your appreciation that you know about the ocean acidification, and this, the last position is novel entities. So I ask you because of this is important. Like if you if you want to know about the meaning of boundaries, like if in the social interaction, if you are a student, young people, and make a friendship, of course you have to make like a boundaries, not only for the social interaction. You have to also you have to know about the planetary boundaries. Yeah, we are still want to living in Earth, maybe it's different with the Elon Musk because he want to live in the Mars, maybe, yeah, or another planet. But now he is, yeah, it's a political issue. Maybe if you know, yeah, some of you maybe know about the ocean acidification, but maybe if you want to talk something, why why you didn't recognize about the novel entities? Some of you maybe can speak up. Is it like a weird, like a strange for novel entities? Maybe for MC, you want to say something? Yeah, we just talk is not really. This talk is for all. I mean, we make like a more interactive. So maybe MC want to say something. Why you don't know the novel entities? MC, hi MC. The student, just for the student. Why you don't know novel entities? If you see in here, if we compare, this is the source from the from the Peter Mahavi research group from KCVS and the group the part. Okay, one of the members of the group, he developed this like simulation, like the modeling. This is, But sadly, because of the project of the Mahavi just until 2021, so that's why if you see in the planetary boundaries, you just see the last, the last years is just 2021. But yeah, 3 years ago. If you see in here, I just want to tell you the comparison between when we get the independent days, 1945, yeah, until now, until 2021, the red color means like the dangers, dangers like the dangers factor. This you can see is really increase, yeah, then from maybe from the biosphere and from freshwater and climate change, of course. For the climate change now is in the point of dangers now, but we are not allowed to blame, because the blame another society or something, because of our society growing, the number of population growing, the number of human need is maybe growing, including the novel entities. If you see maybe in our, maybe my grandmother, they don't know about the retinol, skin scare atau skin skin scare or skin scare. I don't, because of last time we don't use like skincare, yeah, but now we use the skincare, we use the cosmetic, the ingredient of the cosmetic, you know, retinol, yeah, something of this is like the novel entities that maybe pharmacy or the chemists develop. Yeah, this novel entities that maybe in our independent days they don't know, and then now you can see it's really red. But if we compare, I don't want to talk about the cosmetic on the novel entities. Maybe Bu Elvi will big values, but yeah, now we just talking in the relax, yeah, with the ocean acidification, because novel entities is not my concern, but yeah, for the general case, you see like we compare and we take a look in the last, in our independent day, in our grandma grandpa period, and compare with us now, like in the cosmetic, in the beverage, in the food, in the plastic, bioplastic. Yeah, this is like a novel entities. Even though, yeah, bioplastic is also, yeah, it's like the new the new like a solution for the plastic, but still until now still in the research, about the green chemistry, like framework. So if you see in here from the simulation of the resilience of Earth as a system, of course, from the 2000, from our independent days until now, ocean acidification still green. That's why maybe so many people is not really take consider about the thematic, about the ocean acidification. But ocean acidification, as you know, ocean acidification like relate to the like boundaries, like another factor. In here, if we see, you are all is chemists. In the ocean, is, you can imagine the ocean is like the complex system. Many factor influence the system. So yeah, in the simple way, as a chemist or as the chemistry teachers, you will teach the student about the acid base. Acid base, in the concept of acid base, if we apply in the ocean acidification, in the ocean they have acid base equilibrium. So that's why maybe if you tell the student, okay, yeah, maybe because of they have like a chemical equilibrium, maybe until now is still green. So, but what happened in the next 10 years, 20 years? We don't know. If we don't want to protect since now, yeah, how about the next? Because of the concept of sustainability should be as 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 a chemistry teacher. I told you about you are as a chemistry teacher. You teach chemistry and you deliver, you build the student value. One of the student value is sustainability awareness, because the young people they will build the value, and then from the value will be a habit. So from the chemistry, if you teach the chemistry, ocean acidification is in the concept of chemistry can reduce amount of dissolved calcium carbonate and available in the water. So you can make demonstration in the front of your student about the dissolving calcium carbonate. Yeah, this is make your student imagine what happened in the ocean. And you can maybe in the simple thing is, if you design like a chemistry learning, just if you in the like in the school in the like urban area, just make a demonstration with the eggshell. So and put like some as vinegar or some acid, and try to deliver the concept of chemistry and make analogy to the ocean. I mean the ocean system. This is because the analogy from your demonstration is important, because ocean acidification based on this is the source is planetary boundary still, but you you are like the agent of like a saver, the ocean saver. Yeah, ocean protection from the beginning. So because if you deliver the concept of the ocean like a thematic, you also the coral reef are diverse ecosystem which support many other organisms affecting biosphere integrity. One of the factor of planetary boundary is biosphere integrity, also connected to the ocean acidification concept. Climate change also connected to the ocean acidification, because of directly linked with the ocean acidification as like increasing carbon dioxide. As you know, if you want to send a research grant, yeah, they will see, oh, what do you want to solve the problem now? Okay, I want to solve the carbon emission. How? You want to capture the carbon dioxide. So how to like capture the carbon dioxide from the pollutant? It is hard maybe, but maybe you, yeah, but in the like technique chemistry engineering, maybe they can like make like a modeling, they make like some tool. But how about our concern chemistry learning? Yeah, at least you tell the student how the mechanism of the carbon dioxide, dissolving of carbon dioxide, because this is also related to the land system. So here, like like Seamus Delaney told us that the system is like connecting between from one system subsystem to the another subsystem. Even though in the small context in the our chemistry learning, it's just at least from the cognitive like yeah, understanding or comprehension. So in here, in the same resources, yeah, you can tell the student about the aragonite. How about the crystal of like calcium carbonate that maybe is differ with the calcite. So this is from the content, and that's why Mahavi always tell in every system thinking symposium, he always told us that put the chemistry in the core of the knowledge. So in here you see like just one substances in here, maybe one ionic substances, calcium carbonate. From this one you can deliver and you can connect it because of this aragonite is like a biogenic material. It is used by marine organism, as you know, because you can deliver this to connect one core, like a core of chemistry, to another subsystem like biology, because this is for the important material to build the cell skeleton, and also this really important to marine environment. So that's why system thinking is maybe for us is really important to give or to build this what happened what the student knowledge, because I just listen from some of like a short video. Sometimes people just can read one text, but they cannot link from the another text, and they cannot make a value from the correlation between the text. That means if you know this, if some people like some literate people, they can read one text and they can connect to the another text and make a value. That's why when I translate to the system thinking, if some student can build the understanding of the chemistry, like here maybe if they know about I told you in my research, in my grant, I just apply 4 chemical symbol here. But maybe you maybe just from 4 chemical symbol I got more than 200 million for the grant, just for the 1, 2, 3, 4. But how you can translate your idea from the 1, 2, 3, 4 chemical equation being a money? This is the trick. I get more 200 million from just 3 4 chemical formula. Here is aragonite. So you can read maybe because of this the mechanism of from the dissolving carbon dioxide from the gases until the solutions, and then the interaction, the solution in the water, in the seawater become like a chemical equilibrium here, and we try to like connect to the biological. So here this is like the theoretical framework for deliver the ocean acidification concept, ocean acidification context, I mean, because of connecting between content and concept, like Mr. Ari said, it is challenging, because it is our homework for like a chemistry teacher. Here I got like the climate change boundaries. Maybe this like the memorizing, but for the technical, for engineering chemistry, they always make a modeling, but now not 350 ppm, but in my last publication they said 400 ppm. And also in the like the boundaries of the ocean acidification is aragonite concentration in the seawater is should be more than 80%. Now still up or above the 80%, so still in the safe zone. So here the next agenda that I want to deliver. How about the ocean acidification context? In the context, it mean like this is my research. Why I like this tema, because I told you before, because I, of course, honestly, I want to get the funding. So I want to get the funding. So my thinking is just I can sell my ability to about the misconception and chemistry, but I can sell about the sexist tema. Just for this moment, it's just two: sustainability and AI. If you try understand about the AI and try to understand the umbrella of research about the sustainability, just pick like a just pick one small concern. This is I am sure you will get the grant for the lecture, and this is maybe will be we will be connected to your student. Maybe in here you have a student also. So if the lecture getting a grant, of course the student also getting getting like the benefit, right, Mr. Rizulaton? So okay, here Indonesian tropical region. This is the context. Yeah, you know, I'm trying to the capture like my inspiration is when I saw when I watched the Miss Susi Pujiawati as the minister of the maritime, that may be like a viral. So that's why no one thinking about the marine. No one, I mean, in the chemistry learning, I mean, when I try to search the from the published and Paris and others, I told you is rare in the chemistry learning, want to frame the marine. Yeah, this is some of you and the researcher, they want to try to make like ethnoscience, like contextual teaching and learning, like and another tema is like the culture, connect to the culture, yeah, STEM. But I'm trying to some different from the research grant. So that's why I see Indonesia is potential. I see the marine, they have like 25% of the world fish. If you can imagine, we are in the we have also so so huge, like so has marine biological species diversity, so really big also. Yeah, nowadays marine ecosystem also dangerous. That's why this encourage my department, of course, me as a head of department, I'm trying to learn about the chemistry education department from the another in Indonesia, Malang. What the special tema in Malang, and I see the trend of the research in Malang, and I see also from Jakarta, and of course I see in from Surakarta. But I'm trying as the department leader. I want to offer like our department have like special. That's why I want to introduce my department, because of course I want to proud of my department. My department want have like the umbrella of research. We put like sustainable and inclusive chemistry learning. Sustainable and inclusive chemistry learning, this our like umbrella. So that's why I asked this junior lecturer, and I design, I mapping, you learn about this, and we can make like one department, one in the one way, in like one umbrella. So here, yeah, this is like I try to search in the published in Paris in the 10 years. Marine, especially for ocean acidification. some research is just about, I call them is modeling, mapping, design experiment, and policy. From the policy, like yeah, policy is some of social studies department. They can write article about the ocean acidification from their perspective. And of course, the Department of Marine Department, they build like a design experiment. And in this department, they make like a mapping what happened in the coral reef in Indonesia. This is just in Indonesia from Google Scholar and Scopus. I mix, and they make the famous research is about the modeling. So that's why, okay, maybe in the chemistry learning is still rare. So that's why I thinking about why has the chemistry education not contribute to the ocean acidification. So that's why I think when I submit the grant, like a research grant, student or young people should learn as ocean as a part of system. Like this year, Richmond think like Richmond in 1994 is like initiator of the system thinking, but not from the chemistry. He from the engineering. Like Simo said, okay, system thinking is not only from the chemistry in the beginning, in the origin. They from engineering. Yeah, they can claim from engineering. Maybe some of you they know about the dynamic system in engineering. So here like my inspiration that make like the research and getting a grant for my research. That's why in people who embrace system thinking when they can see both forest and the tree with one eyes each other. I mean like if you are maybe this is just inspiration of to getting a grant. I mean if you see just in the small, if you see just in the behind of the tree, but can can you expand or can you thinking from both sides in the same time? Of course you have to specialize in one focus, but try to make like a few perspective from the another. So that's why this is like my key my key to get like some research like research grant. As here the example also just example for the carbon dioxide from the SOCME. I'm learn about the SOCME since I'm in study in doctoral, because of I cannot stay it just in the misconception. I'm try to yes like embrace and others. Here is my inspiration, carbon dioxide, that the source is Peter Mahaffy. So I want to move to the third part. Maybe if you want to ask something or just feel free to ask and we just discuss. Here, ocean acidification is like for the research probability for the chemistry learning. This is I supposed to like this is potential to make like some the novel approach. Like, I mean, in the chemistry learning, that's why here already published in the sustainable chemistry and pharmacy, and I'm in here. I collaborate for the sustainable chemistry and pharmacy. I'm collaborate with the Monster, and last time with HKI also I'm deliver like a make presentation about the my research about the system thinking approach. Like here now I got the funding for almost 3 years from BRIN, but my second article still on the running for fostering awareness. This is I measure the ability of student to make to mapping their sustainability awareness for the from the laboratory activity. And this years I got again from Kementerian Agama for fostering, but I'm focused on the instrument in here, instrument for the um, learning, for the learning. I want to integrate between cognitive and affective. So here my brain, my brain result, I just concerned with one. I mean, for one substances. I said one substances like calcium carbonate. This is my inspiration when I was in Germany. I got this chemical equation and I tried to understand the misconception about the reaction between carbonate and the acid, and I got this result that some of the students, some of the participants that I asked them, yeah, they have like challenge or difficulties to understand the dissolving weak acid, and that's why I try here in oceans. They also like a weak kind of a weak acid, so that's why I developed my research because of weak acid equilibrium. For this is like still challenging for the student, and I'm trying to write also the perception of student and teacher about the ionic compound. Here also one of them is the one of the compound I'm trying to understand how the student thinking about the calcium carbonate instead of natrium carbonate and magnesium oxide. This is I capture that just three compound in this article, and now I'm trying to get the funding also, but I submit to Filipina, but just about the magnesium oxide. But I'm trying to capture magnesium oxide. I try to connect to the fertilizer. So now still in submission. I hope I can get just magnesium oxide, but there are connection between magnesium oxide and fertilizer. Here, and I'm trying also about the acid base. This is my proton transfer for the weak acid is still the same. I mean, the student need like the solid foundation or solid need like some like contextual approach to teach them about the weak acid. This is our homework as a teachers. Here, maybe some of you maybe want to try to develop, like if you are a student and still searching which tema for my skripsi, which tema for my thesis. If you are a master student, try to develop some. Here I offer you research about developing of trigger questions just for the, like in here in Indonesia, kurikulum Merdeka should starting from the pertanyaan pemantik. I see my students sometimes they develop like a module, they develop like the experiment, try to develop something that's maybe unique, but just small. I mean, just focus a little. I mean, in the not for the whole of the chemistry learning, but just a part of the chemistry learning. Try to develop the trigger question. This is an example that I give you about the ocean acidification. What is happening in the pH of the ocean? How related to the food supply? Yeah, here is like maybe you can develop more for make if you want to make like a research about developing like a trigger question. Is it like maybe from my knowledge is seem like developing diagnostic test. Yeah, diagnostic test like but through the interview, through the communication with your student. Also, maybe you can try to make like a developing chemical stimulation. If you know now for the like a junior high school, senior high school, they in Yogyakarta especially, in junior high school they have like the exam, the final exam for the ninth grade. They they have to solve the science literacy exam, including now is I think I don't know for the senior high school, also for some another exam. But I want to offer you that maybe if you want to try make a description about developing chemical stimulation part from for the like what is called like the stimulation from the literacy evaluation, because if you know in Yogyakarta in the ASPD, if I see the type of the uh, test item, they have to provide first is like a text, the text like the text, so the student should understand the text and then should solve the question after that. So if you maybe this is like your I want to inspire you, just focus on how to develop the stimulation part for the literations instrument or HOTS or something. And this is just example, like in the ocean acidification, increasing dissolving carbon dioxide molecule in the seawater, disrupt. But you can put like a sum of picture also, disrupt seawater pH balance once carbon dioxide molecule are absorbed in the ocean water. Carbon acid solution are produced, creating extra uh, hydrogen ion that associate with like here. Maybe you can add, but this is just because I don't want to give like so many text. But in the literacy sometimes one pages is one text. This is can make, yeah, can inspire you to make a research about, just focus how to develop like a stimulation part in the HOTS instrument. Or maybe, yeah, this is my project with my students, scaffolding system thinking assessment tools, because I focus on the evaluation like developing assessment tool. So I want to connect the system thinking sequence with the instrument tools. Here I try to make like if you know the misconception is sometimes like a 4 tier 3 tier like the sequence, and also if like the Bloom or HOTS, about the gradations. I try to make with my student this the instrument test from identifying concept. I refer to the ORGIL, Chemnitz instrument, understanding their interaction, calculating. I'm a little bit make improvisation from ORGIL. The third is calculating the involvement of this component based on the molecular basic of sustainability, encouraging student mechanistic reasoning. And the result from this this design is like here. This is still I'm still running with my student, and we try last month in the first senior high school in Yogyakarta, SMA 6 and SMA 10. We try to give like here with based on my sequence. Yeah, this is my prototype of cognitive. And maybe this I can offer you about the research for evaluating student imagination from visualization or image. If you teach a chemistry, maybe I think about this is real also, because assessment about the spatials or imagination about the structures that related to the ocean acidification. You can give like, okay, this is the picture of the real, like, Johnson chemical triangle will start from the macroscopic and then connect to the microscopic, submicroscopic, and the symbolic. So you may assess like the student in your research, like make comparisons about or make analysis about image that they result. This is like yeah. Here my project, my research is developing the experiment like a laboratory activity, and during the laboratory activity I'm trying to assess during the experiment like I did in Germany. In Germany, assessment is not only give them a paper test, but we can assess from the process. This is my project. So I'm make like a design of experiment. I use like a sensor in here and like give like dissolve a carbon dioxide into the seawater. Like our sample is seawater, and the student try and they practice our design, and during they practice this experiment design, we make interview. This interview based on our instrument of interview. So during the process, we measure the ability of student, because like here we try to make like the cognitive conflict between the buffer that we make from the buffer carbonate and compare to the seawater. So like the seawater, the graph is quite different. So in here we try to reveal their thinking about ocean acidification from the cognitive side and from their value, because from when we want to assess about their action, times it can be changing, because now we are just in the class. It's limited learning environment, limited learning ecology, and we just see what they get in the cognitive and what they obtain in the value, just like here during the experiment. So I would like to ask you again. After I offer you the idea about the research related to ocean acidification. Try to write your idea for the research about the ocean thematic. Yeah, just writing is feel free. I just offer you some, you can make like this instrument stimulation or triggering, or make like experiment like I did, make others. Please feel free, scan this QR code and try. If you are a student in the last years, or maybe you are lecturer, want to get the grant funding, so feel free to write what is your idea of research. If you want to engage like oceans thema, yeah, please feel free. Yeah, you can just write. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, we will see the cloud from Slido. So this is the news or the novel, or maybe I hope you will get the grant, or I hope you will get the acceptance from your lecturer. If you propose, Mister, this is my research proposal. Maybe impact sustainability. Thank you. Literasi. Some of you writing sustainability the most. Yeah, lobster. Okay, if you want to make if you want to make a farming, lobster farming, it's okay, fine. You can just connect to the chemistry learning. How to try make like P5 with the farming lobster. Yeah, because of P5 now is sometimes related to the student environment, right? Sometimes in the P5, in the student with P5, sometimes they not only the teacher ask about selling something, but in Yogyakarta, almost of school, they apply like a selling stove, trading, selling a stove. But in the farmer, in the like the urban area or the farming area, they make a P5 with the farming, planting. Is it? Yeah. Oh, but the region which, yeah, where like close with the ocean. Maybe if you are the kid of fisherman, if you are a kid of fisherman, maybe so make a research that's maybe meaningful for you, not only for your graduation. If you want to make graduation, yeah, your research just, you're just stuck in the library, right, Mr. Watton? Your research just stuck in the library, and you cannot apply in your village. Maybe if you are in the, maybe if you are from Bangka Belitung, try to make idea about the Bangka Belitung now is the mining. What the effect of the mining to the ocean? So organic, yeah. Some of you say organic. Potential project, life, structures, terjemahan. What is terjemahan? Pollutant, ocean, impact, ecosystem, research, yeah. Then sunscreen. I'm really curious. Who typed sunscreen here? Sunscreen is really. I think this is, for me. It is like a attractive research tema. I mean, sunscreen is now is, you see, you can make sunscreen from the sea grasses, or you can make sunscreen maybe if your supervisor from the like organic, maybe from like kitten, I mean like a kitten, I don't know, like a kitten make some specific, but kitten sometimes as a absorbent, Bu Elvia. Kitten, I forget for the name. From the
Kitosan.
Kitosan. Yeah, kitosan is absorbent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe some of you want to make like kitosan and make like cosmetic, like absorbent, but for like a scrub, body scrub. Is it? Yeah. Okay. still two participant typing. Maybe I will. Okay, active all. Thank you so much. So we will see in here. Maybe some of you want to say something for your texting. Maybe Mr. Yusbulwaton or some students. So in here we see pollution, microplastic, solar line. What a solar line? Who takes solar line here? And urban, water treatment, marine, provide maybe oil eating organism. Okay, like I don't know. This is you can create like a eating oil eating organism. Or maybe this is also ocean management. You can try. Yeah. So maybe some of you want to say something from here directly. A student maybe. Okay, Putut bagus. Yeah, please just speak up. Putut bagus.
Okay,
Yeah,
actually
thank
the
you.
one who's writing lobster.
Oh, you are writing lobster?
Yeah, I'm the one who write lobster.
Okay, you can tell me why.
So I was interested in lobster because I watched a documented video about lobster center of gravity in the Gulf of Maine that's slowly shifting towards north because the ocean keep getting warmer and warmer, and the are trying to get into a deeper water that is cold. So that's why it was kind of interesting because the center of gravity is slowly decreasing, but I feel like the ocean keep getting warmer. So there's something that missing in there. So the ocean keep getting warmer, but the center of gravity not shifting towards north again. So yeah, it was like my kind of interesting topic that I want to search.
Yeah, perfect. This is also for me. It's like a nude, and also this is interesting. Also, if I the policy for the grant, I will give you the grant. Yeah, but how how your method now? Then if you have the imagination of this, so from the research perspective, and I will ask you what your method, research method from the chemistry or for the chemistry learning. So that's why maybe for the idea is so really good. Lobster. Yeah. This is good for like how the lobster like ecosystem, right? Yeah, true. Even maybe for the another use like the lobster shell.
Oh yeah, the lobster shell probably getting a lot thinner for the time of years.
Yeah.
From ocean acidification, also that probably could be a point.
Get it. This is I mean, yeah, for the lobster shell because this is impact of the ocean acidification. One of the impact is affected to the shell of lobster because of the shell of lobster they contain like a calcium ions. Yeah, that's why it's not really good when you put like lobster in the environment is so really acid. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. This is really interactive. Yeah, Mr. Isbulwaton for this our class today. Yeah, but thank you so much. But this is I want to highlight. Maybe if I choose is some of in here the thematic is maybe is like a sexist tema is like microplastic sunscreen, of course sustainability is like the big umbrella, ecosystem is the big umbrella. In here some of the you is for if you see in the slide is the big the word is more like the number of participant who texting is more than than sunscreen microplastic. But if I see in my research perspective, maybe some the good tema, attractive tema is sunscreen, microplastic, and that I heard from Putut is lobster ecosystem like the shell of yeah, lobster. Okay, thank you so much for your participation. Yeah, this is great. The last is I just want to tell you about my research about the assessment, but and this is still running. I mean, still in the project. How to develop the assessment, because if I see sometime I got so many kind of assessment. Assessment is not only in the like the test item test. We can develop more than test, because of when I'm in here in Depok, I'm guide some student, and we discuss with the Deakin University also. They develop like instrument, but for the affective, but I'm trying to develop the affective instrument for assess the sustainability awareness or with stimulation thematic like ocean acidification. So here system thinking, I am still use this like sequence, like identify system component. The next is relationship between component, but this is still in the framework. So the actual assessment is still yesterday Simosta or Ari told that SOPME can be assessment, but not really a real assessment. In here, I want to make like the gradual until the application of ownership, sustainability action. But for the step 4 is for the context of learning ecology it is hard, because this is for the action. Action is like they know the knowledge and they understand the knowledge, they put in their value and they do in their activity. So action is for the assessment is still not really still getting pattern. But I would not say this is impossible for make a instrument. Here I try to develop my system thinking ocean literacy evaluation, that I combine between the system thinking step and oceans literacy learning outcome. That learning outcome is still general, so I have to break down to be like the activity and like the category, the specific category, when the student can understand the essential principle and fundamental chemistry about the ocean. Here is I combine with the system thinking, and this is my result, but I'm still sent to the CMUS yesterday. Okay, I for the moment he told me, what do you do now? I'm developing the instrument. So but I'm still make learning outcome and combine between of two component, system thinking and ocean acidification. For the moment I make a three, the ability of identify the involved particle in ocean acidification. Of course this is related to cognitive, and have the step 2 is having ability to communicate about the ocean in the meaningful way. Here I want to develop like the standard instrument. If you know the science literacy instrument, sometimes I also read the science identity instrument. It is like the questionnaire, like like instrument that measure the ability to communicate and identify the relationship between subsystem and their interaction. And step 3, this is like a gradual ability to make responsible, but I want to limit this just about awareness that put as a value, not maybe not to make like in here just until the value. The construction of instrument is identify the involved particle like component of system. It is like simple, simple things like if you understand the essential principle of fundamental chemistry about the ocean, at least for the ocean literacy, you know about the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. You know the properties of matter of carbon dioxide. For just one compound
Inilah Buna, bisi.
that we develop. We make connection. They have to know about the chemical facet change for dissolving carbon dioxide into seawater, the effect of dissolving carbon dioxide into seawater involving a particle in the ocean acidification. This, if I would like to tell you this, the here, okay, just this instrument carbon dioxide in Indonesia, I got the okay 100% the student know the rumus molecule formula of carbon dioxide particle carbon dioxide they know, but some of them is still thinking about the carbon dioxide is ions. Of course, Miss Norma in here they know about the Probarga always ion, atom, and molecule. So, and I asked them about the changing from like the dissolving carbon dioxide just from the text and the formula. Yeah, you can see in here 74% they can answer the right, but still left 25 more left they still wrong. That means they don't really know about the concept in the basic. And then I asked them after dissolve in the seawater what happened. Yeah, and then see like yeah. So here is my temporary result and try to connect with our verbatim for instrument for the interview, because yeah, still here is still I'm try to understand the pre-test, my pre-test and my post-test. I calculate, I analyze the item, difficult item with here. I just use a RAS with my student, and this evaluation for the statistic also, which are difficult things. Yeah, I think I would like to ask you for more discussion than I deliver my concept. Yeah, maybe Mr. Hispul Waton, I'm really like to ask you for discussion.
Yes, thank you very much, Dr. Asi, for a nice presentation. We have already learned a lot about the ocean acidification, the planetary boundaries, and the context of the ocean acidification, and also Dr. Asi gives the suggestion for the proposal if you are interested to apply for the some fundings. And also the last of our presentation, she mentioned about how to use the assessment for the context of ocean literacy application in the assessment in UDG. For your information, this ocean acidification is really interesting topic, and then as already mentioned by her that if you look at the data, the ocean is really wide. Only 20% of the world's ocean has been explored. It means that we still have around 80% of the part of the ocean that has not been explored. There are a lot of the opportunities that we could study. One of them is ocean acidification that has been presented by Dr. Asi. So we would like to invite the participants to ask questions or discuss with her according what she has already presented. So we have one participant who has already raised her hand. Dr. Kudu, would you like to ask questions directly to Dr. Asi?
Yes, thank you for the. Oh my God. Okay, thank you, Dr. Waton. Halo Bu Asti.
Terus kalau dia ada uang yang 10
Nice
juta itu
to see you.
satu kan tembus. Nah, satu lagi
Okay,
yang gratisan
I
itu.
want to tell
Misalnya
you
bayar
about.
semua.
I once
Misalnya nggak
tried
10 juta
using
kali 2 lagi ya 20 juta.
coral bleaching
Tapi dia
as
kayaknya
an
siap bayar
example
itu
in
cuma
my
yang
one of
satu itu
my
kan.
thesis,
Yang artikelnya
especially how
itu ya.
some
Nah, terus
sunscreen
yang satunya lagi
ingredients
dia
can
kayaknya masih
harm
cari yang gratisan.
coral reefs, like pemutihan
Iya,
karang,
multidisiplin itu.
something like that.
Waktu
But
itu
many students
cuma
still
8
say
juta
that they
setengah
would
pas $1 waktu itu.
still
Sekarang
use
aku
the
cek $12
sunscreen
sekitaran
anyway,
itu
even
9
if it
jutaan itu
causes
gunain
coral
Maret
bleaching.
$50
So
itu.
I wasn't sure
Nah,
if
itu
it's
memang
really
support
how to raise
sebulan
their
itu,
awareness
kayak
about
dipingkan. Cuman terbit
sustainability,
abstraknya.
about
Masih nunggu
how
lagi
to
buktinya
save
nggak
the
bisa ngurus
oceans.
surat itu.
So from
Karena
your
belum
research,
ada
have
PDA
you
muncul.
ever looked
Nah, Ratna mau
into
ke situ kan, yang satu ya
someone's or
bayar nyiapin
students'
uang kan.
awareness of
Satu
ocean
paling
acidifications, like
belum, dia ngomong kalau
comparing
misalnya ngejar 3 kan, tapi kan dia
those
itu
who live
sebenarnya sudah
near
submit
the
semua
sea
sebanyak artikel.
and
Tapi
live
belum
far
ada yang
from the sea,
terbit. Nah, kayak terbit
and
kan
how
cuma satu
can we
artikel
make
yang baru
students
naik.
care about something
Kalau
don't
mau cepet kayak
experience
Hubingkan yang sebulan
directly?
langsung
Because
terbit,
from
itu siapkan uang
for
9
some students who
jutaan
live
itu
far
anak
from the
yang
sea,
5 kuda.
they didn't really
Harusnya
feel
dari sini
the effect
ada
of
dana ya.
ocean acidifications or the effect of coral bleaching, something
Bapak
like
Ibu
that.
mau bayarin.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Iya ya. Kok bisa?
Dr. Hisbulwatan, I'm directly answer or waiting?
Yes, you can answer the questions there.
Yeah, I'm interesting with the tema. I mean, for the sunscreen, yeah, we have to make. I don't know. I have the idea also the the cosmetic literacy, because nowadays the young, I don't know, the beauty standard is not good now. I mean, some of the our students just put all of the cosmetic. They think, okay, I will be beautiful with the some yeah, with the sunscreen, with some another. Sometimes they don't really care that the future effect. I mean, the future effect for the cosmetic. But the research about the sunscreen, because in my department we have the specific also special lecturer who concern about the cosmetic. She is from Pharmacy Gajah Mada, and she now in my department. And I asked her to concern about the cosmetic that relate to the tropical chemistry and ocean acidification. So ocean, I mean the thematic of ocean, because our department want to capture the tropical chemistry and the ocean thematic. So from my research until now, my first research, I'm trying to choose the respondent who live less than 5 kilometers from the ocean, and I use the research approach is like ethnography approach. Yeah, like ethnography approach.
Makanya dia cari uang sana sini
from
juga,
the
ikutin
result,
riset mana-mana.
I see
Aku tuh mau
from
cari
my
juga,
first
iya, kamu ada
for my
kemampuannya
first
di
result,
Citra.
and
Dia
I
punya
compare
kemampuan itu
to
di
the
siswanya. Dia bisa
another
menulis,
student
buat
in
artikel,
I
dijadikan
try in
narasumber,
Makassar
itu
and
pendapatan
Bantul.
tambahan dia. Dia kan ngomongnya situ.
This is
Dari riset.
I'm not sure, they don't have any awareness. Even they live in close with the ocean. For my result, that is like our my homework as a researcher who want to point the like ocean's protection awareness, like the value in their the student. I mean, for me is use like ethnography, and I did. But the result still, I didn't say. I think same with the student in the city center that I try in the SMA 1 Yogyakarta. So for the ethnography, for the awareness, for my research now is depend on their perspective. Their perspective. So now I'm still develop to measure their awareness and try to compare which the specific character from the student who live in the close the ocean and in the far from the ocean. Because when I try to submit my proposal to the the Finland, and I got the feedback is not really good. They said, okay, this proposal is good because of We can apply also for student in close with the ocean in the Nordic Ocean. Nordic Ocean is like in the Finland, Norwegia, like here. They always interact with the ocean, but the response is not. Yeah, maybe they still hesitate for the result, for the sustainable. I mean, the awareness to protect the ocean. Yeah, thank you for the question. But this is also my challenge. I want to try to, yeah, to develop the specific that I can differentiate between region. Is it region influence for the value or not?
Ini barangmu banyak banget, aku aja pusing kecemplung-cemplung. Aduh, aku ngezoom ini gimana
Yeah.
ya?
Do you have any
Kamera
feedback
laptop aja
to
enggak.
Persputu or
Dia kan ada
enough?
yang kamera nempel itu.
Okay, thank you. Maybe I will give short feedback to that. So, same with what you did in the like a few years ago, and I'm still amazed with the results that they had a very low awareness about ocean acidification, about sustainability. Even though I said to them, I give them the example, I give them the paper, I give them the video, and etc. And they still say that because they don't feel the effect, they don't feel what is the coral bleaching, like, don't feel it. So they don't really care about that. Yeah, and maybe it our task in the future to develop or to build their awareness about these things. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Miss Putu. But I would like to tell you also, my thesis, my student master thesis, want to try to measure the sustainability awareness, and we want to compare between in Yogyakarta, the favorite school, like the favorite school is the background of their economic is from the rich people, and compared to the like a public school, that the background of the family is a heterogen. The background is like they not all of them is rich, they rich and poor and someone. My student make observation because it's qualitative research method. She compare, and we get the funding that student from the favorite school who their parents who have the like the parent is from the rich background, they have less, lower lower sustainability awareness compared to the public school, because of, I don't know, when we try to reveal, maybe because of their habit in the home. For the rich family, they also depend on the assistant, depend of the nanny. So the value and the action, if they put the plastic trash in everywhere, just put because of they think, okay, my nanny will pick it up. so this is like interesting for us, that for some economic background is also influence for the sustainability awareness, like, oh, I have to make sure this trash I put in the